Hello, TechInsights would like to share it has a Trump Mobile T1 smartphone in its labs and has started a deep dive teardown analysis. The total shipping weight of the Trump Mobile T1 is 506.60 grams. The Trump Mobile T1 smartphone comes with a USB-C cable and phone charger. The charger is supplied by a relatively new company located in the Philippines called Newlix Mfg, or Manufacturing. There does not appear to be a Newlix company website at this time. However, on the mobile T1 phone charger, there is a phone number and a cell phone number one could call to make contact. The Trump Mobile T1 is powered by a 3.87 volt, 5000 milliamp battery. The battery is also supplied by Newlix. The Trump Mobile T1 phone dimensions measured 167.25 millimeters by 75.47 millimeters by 9.01 millimeters without the cameras on the back. With the rear camera bump, the Trump Mobile T1 phone thickness measured 11.38 millimeters. As a reminder, registration for the TechInsights platform is free. Registered users can explore additional free content, including videos, insights, and reports from TechInsights experts and market analysts.